There once was a little girl who had everything she needed to be happy. But she wasn't. When you gave her a toy, she thought about the toy somebody gave her brother. When you gave her some cake, she thought about the ice cream she had last night. The little girl was never completely present. She was called the little girl with the monkey mind because her mind is always busy running from one thought to another thought to another thought. Ooh, 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 ooh. And she let herself be carried away by the monkey mind. Now, this monkey mind made the girl so nervous and tired that she got sick. Several doctors hurried to her bedside, but no medicine could cure her. That's when I, the bunny, decided to visit her. The first day, I gave her an apple and simply said, "Taste." The second day, I told her a story and simply said, "Listen." The third day, the little girl was sitting up in her bed. She smiled at me and asked me, "What did you bring me today?" She was cured. She had discovered what it was to eat an apple when you eat an apple. She had discovered also what it is to listen to a story when you listen to a story. From that day on, the girl had a happy life because she had discovered the power of attention, which gives every moment a different